Okay, let's throw away the garbage. So first of all, let me just show you the sink here. Whenever you have scraps in the sink, they collect in the drain, but we've got a little catcher, as you can see. So there's a few chickpeas. Now if you take this disc and put it in, so it faces 9 o'clock, and turn it to 12 o'clock, it'll start spinning. And what that does is it spins the water off of the food material. Then when you take it out, it's relatively dry. And that's when you could bring it to the compost here. Open it up. And put out all your biodegradable garbage in here, because in Korea we have to separate our garbage. So here we've got all our food waste, biodegradable waste. And here in these pink bags we've got all our what they call general garbage, so things that can't be recycled and can't be processed as food waste. And then we have our recyclables, which is paper, plastic, glass, metal. So we've got 3 types of garbage. We've got our biodegradable, our recyclable, and basically everything else. Okay, so let's pick those up and bring them down to the garbage disposal area. Okay, so we're making our way out to the out of the building on the first floor. We're heading to the garbage disposal area. So you can see it there with the recycle name. Okay, so first of all, this is where we throw out our main garbage. We just lift up the lid here, then you can see a bunch of pink bags in there. Now our recycling goes into these 3 bags. There's paper, there's hard plastics, and there's vinyl or thin plastics. That'll be the bulk of your recyclables. If you have any glass or metal, you'll see there's a bag here for glass and a bag here for metal. There's also a bag for styrofoams. There's also a container here for fluorescent tubing or batteries. This green box is for clothing that you want to give to a donation. And then there's this machine here, and that's for the biodegradable trash. So let's operate that now. Okay, so to operate this biodegradable waste machine, you need your apartment pass, and you just put it here on the sensor. Okay. So it's in the apartment number, oops, and then the trash. So you get your trash. So here we have some watermelon rinds. Throw it in. And then when we're finished, we can just push this red button. And they'll read how many kilograms you've thrown out. And you'll get charged for that. It's a small fee.